morning students. Today's our topic is health related fitness. Before we start this topic, I will tell you what is the difference between health and a fitness. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being in which diseases and infirmity are absent. Where fitness is a condition in which an individual has enough energy to avoid fatigue and enjoy life. There is a difference between health and fitness. Health is a social, physical, mental well-being in which disease are absent, and fitness is a condition where an individual has enough energy to avoid fatigue and enjoy life. Now, component of health related fitness. There are two type of health component of health related fitness. First is fitness, second is physical fitness. As I said earlier, what is fitness? Fitness is a condition in which an individual has enough energy to avoid fatigue and enjoy life. Now, physical fitness. What is physical fitness? Physical fitness is divided into four health and six skill related component. Physical fitness is a mixture of four health and six skill related fitness. Skill which are used to play some activity. Skill are used when we play some activities. Now, what is skill related fitness? Skill related fitness, it is a fitness which enhance one's performance in athletic and sports event. Skill related fitness are those fitness which enhance one's performance and in athletics and sports event. Health related fitness is the ability to become and stay physically healthy. So there is a definition of skill related fitness and health related fitness. Now, what are the components of health related fitness and skill related fitness? There are different components of health related fitness which affect our health, and skill related fitness which develop our skill to enhance the performance of a athlete or uh, player. For example, first health related component are muscular strength and muscular endurance. Muscular strength and muscular endurance. Then flexibility, body composition and cardiorespiratory fitness. The skill related components are agility, balance, power, speed, coordination and reaction time. Now our topic is health related fitness. So our main focus in component of health related fitness. What is health related fitness? A component focus on a factor that promote optimum health and prevent onset of disease and problem associated with inactivity. There are four components of health related fitness. First is cardiovascular fitness. What is cardio? Cardio mean heart and vascular means circulatory system. It is the ability of heart and circular system to supply oxygen to muscle for an intense period of time. Cardiovascular fitness is the ability of a heart to supply the oxygen which are present in our blood to the different part of body, for which purpose? To supply the energy, and we work for a long period of time. That is called cardiovascular fitness. Second is muscular strength and endurance. What is strength? Strength is the ability of a person to work against the resistance. Strength is the ability of a person to work against the resistance, and endurance is the ability of a person to work under the condition of fatigue. So here the second point is muscular strength. Muscular strength is the ability of a muscles or group of muscle to exert force during an activity. Muscular strength is the ability of a muscle or group of muscle to exert force during an activity, or it is a muscle ability to produce effort or perform work. Muscles help to produce effort and help us to perform work. This is called muscular strength. Uh, how to measure muscular strength? There are some activity through which we are measure the muscular strength, like partial curl up. Through partial curl up, we will measure the abdomen strength and endurance. Push ups, through push up to measure chest and shoulder strength. And the second is muscular endurance. What is endurance? Endurance is the ability to work under the condition of fatigue. When we are tired, we are feel tired, but we still work or we still perform activity. These are called endurance. So muscular endurance is the ability of muscle to continuous perform without fatigue. When we continuously perform an activity for a long duration of time without getting fatigue, this is called muscular endurance. To improve our muscle endurance, try cardiovascular activity such as walking, jogging, bicycling bicycling and dancing. Now, how to measure muscular endurance? We will measure muscular endurance through 600-meter run or walk test. Through 600-meter run or walk test, we measure endurance and aerobic fitness. Next is flexibility. What is flexibility? Flexibility is the ability to move the body through the full range of motion at a joint. Flexibility is the maximum range of motion of our joints. Flexibility depends upon some factor like types of joint, uh, ligaments, tendons, body fats, body temperature, and many other factors which are affect our flexibility. Ligament, what is ligament? Ligament is a connective tissue which join bone to bone, and tendon is a connective tissue which join bone to muscle. Next is body composition. Body composition is the ratio of body fat to lean body mass, including water, bone, muscle, connective tissue. As you know, our body is a composition of muscles, water, bones, skin, connective tissues. So, the physical health related fitness is body composition, which include water, bone, muscles, and connective tissue. Now, what are the benefits of health related fitness? First, it increases the muscle tone and strength. Health related fitness, the benefits of health related fitness, it increases the muscle tone and strength of a person. It decreases susceptibility to injury and illness, improve bone mineral density, reduce risk osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease where our bone uh, density of our bone get decreased. It help to improve posture. It increase efficiency of respiratory and circulatory system, decrease risk of and cardiovascular disease and stroke, improve blood pressure. It decrease risk of diabetes and some cancers. It also help to improve self-esteem and self-confidence. If a person is healthy, he is a confident person. It decrease body fat and improve metabolism and increase energy level and academic achievement. Health related fitness reduce body fat and improve metabolism. Metabolism help to burn our fat easily and our fat get reduced. So student, this is our topic. I hope you will understand, and thank you so much.